Hello everyone, welcome to my weekly Glam. Today I want to share with you a very easy recipe of under eye mask that will help to smooth fine lines, prevent premature aging, reduce puffiness and under eye circles. The recipe is really very easy. You will need only 3 ingredients. The first ingredient is sour cream. Sour cream is perfect for this delicate under eye area. It perfectly nourishes, refreshes, helps retain moisture in the skin and prolongs its elasticity. Second ingredient is vitamin E. Vitamin E has antioxidant properties that may help prevent cell damage and help to reduce damage to the skin caused by the sun. And last ingredient is coffee infused oil. Coffee infused oil helps to smooth fine lines and wrinkles, prevent premature aging, reduce puffiness and under eye circles. And with the help of the coffee, the oil is increasing firmness of the skin and decreases aging process. In case if you do not have coffee infused oil, you can use normal base oil that you have. It can be olive oil, it can be almond oil, jojoba oil, any oil that you have at hand. It will work as well. If you do not have sour cream, you can use double cream instead, but make sure that all the ingredients are fresh. Use this mask 2 to 3 times per week for 1 month. Apply under your eyes and leave it for 15 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water or with green tea. And that's it. Very easy, very fast, and very, very effective. I hope that you will give this mask a try and I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, clicking the red button below this video and notification bell as well, so you will get notified every single time when I post the video on my channel. And I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching, thank you for staying with me, and I will see you next time.